How to add translator bot on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking to enhance your Discord experience, you're in the right place. So it's super easy to communicate with their friends in different languages by adding the translator bot. So first of all, what you have to do is tap on the Discord app. However, there is no option to add translation bot in the app itself. So what you can do is go to Google Chrome, type interaction bot, then tap on it, and here you'll see an option of add to Discord. Now tap on add Discord and then tap on continue. My server is already added there because I only have one server. Otherwise you can tap on it and change your server. Hit continue and then tap on authorize. While it's loading, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. Now you can just go to your server and then there you go. The interaction bot has been added to my channel. Now if I tap on translate and then type in my message and then add a language, suppose I'll change it to Arabic and then send. There you go, my message has been translated. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thanks for watching.